So we've had a few days in Pai, and we have... What do we do?
So when we left Chiang Mai, that feels like an age ago, no idea about that. Since we've been here, we have had Halloween.
Oh yeah.
And we had a day exploring where we went to the viewpoint and the cave, the hot springs and the canyon, which wasn't really a canyon, but it was cool. And then yesterday we had quite a chilled out day and we went to the bamboo bridge. And it's all been really good. I think the bamboo bridge was actually one of my favourite things we've done.
Yeah, it was really pretty, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really different and it felt really Thai, if you can say that.
Yeah, you wouldn't get that anywhere else. It was cool. How are you feeling about today's journey?
Bad. 762 curves is too many curves.
It is, isn't it? And what else are we going to have today?
Today we are travelling back to Chiang Mai from Pai, and then we have a cooking class.
Yeah.
And I know you are as well.
I'm super excited. We looked at a list of things that we're going to make, and it's loads. We got like pad thai and...
There's definitely a cashew chicken thing, because I'm into that.
Yeah, and the tom yum soup.
Yeah.
Which I haven't had yet, which would be nice to try.
No, I haven't had that either. That'll be good.
Yeah.